who art in Zion. Hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Your will be done, Lord, Lord, Lord. Hallowed be thy name. Can I do that again? Sing our Father, who art in, who art in, hallowed be thy name. My junction with it, kingdom come on, heaven come down. Junction, good night, Wagwan. Somebody lift up your voice and shout hallelujah to the King of the night, you know. And the Bible says, man, no praise God, then rocks are gonna cry out. Can't take my place. Can't take my place. Lord, can't take my place. Lord, can't take my place. I ain't seen no 6 and 4. Destruction of the poor. This is poverty, poverty, poverty. Why, why? Destruction of your soul. It's vanity. Look at junction me there. Do you hear me now? Or do you hear what my name? My name is Rondell Positive. I choose to rule my destiny. Oh, my name is Rondell Positive. Choose to rule my destiny. Somebody just say destiny. Destiny. Now ease up the music, ease up the music. We'll go back same place. We'll go back same place. A while ago I noticed some religious spirit rise up down a junction. I represent a government named Heaven. Watch me go. You see when I just sing a Proverbs 10 verse 15. I've got on that. Let me sing it again. Rich man's wealth is his strong city. Destruction of the poor. It is poverty. Oh, that's a choice by the way. Destruction of your soul is vanity. Choose God over riches, and that is I say. Do you hear what I want? Somebody, do you hear? I wish I would rise up. I say my name Rondell. I may choose to rule my destiny. Nobody never rule me now. Ooh, God, choose to rule my destiny. Somebody just shout destiny. I choose to rule destiny. I choose to rule my 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 destiny. Choose to rule my destiny. You better teach your children that from now. Because if you don't teach your children that from now, some boy you can come push down your door and treat them like them are nobody. See, people who have ambition push up your hand in the air now. Everybody have ambition. Yeah man. A life we're dealing with now, we don't just come to beat up on your flesh. See, we come to make sure so when you left here tonight you understand so you're powerful and you're great. The whole of junction people are great, shout it out loud, say me great. Oh, you're great people around here. Turn to the most I with it. Turn to somebody and say me love you. Hold on, Chris. Turn to somebody and say me love you. I could kill bad mind now. Cause some bad mind people stand up in that crowd, you know. Just behind you. I know you may attack the one behind you. Some bad mind people around here. Me say me come mash up bad mind, no my judgment, no my junction. Turn to somebody and say me love you. Love destroy a multitude of sin, and then you go say to them, you're gonna make it. Some people don't want you to make it. Tell somebody say you're gonna make it. Tell somebody say choose to make it. No matter what nobody wants, say you're gonna make it. Ready? Gonna make it. Gonna make it. I am going to. Gonna make it. Gonna make it. Gonna make it. Gonna make it. We not go sell out cause we know the pass. Always